So I'm going to get into the game view controller again.
Asset game view controller.swift. Move focus to editor relatives. Source code insertion on
And
word.
in the awake from nib,
Current speed new line. Var stack interval colon. New line. Override func awake from the left parent right. New line.
at the end of it,
Unfold right slash speech dot game view dot del new line. Right parent. New line. Right. New line. Tab.
okay, before I set the delegate to the speech, I'm going to do speech,
Period.
voice,
Image. String. Voice left parent right parent. Image. Bool. Set voice left parent voice colon. String. Right parent.
okay, set the voice.
Last number T number voice selection right parent right parent.
And this is a naming convention used by Apple, which is the fully qualified reverse domain. So in this case, it's I'm taking a voice from acapella, and so there'll be com.acapella.something. So I've got it here.
HQ quote right parent com set voice left parent set voice left quote C O M period A C A P E L A G R O U P
acapella group
period
dot
HQ
quote
quote
acapella group dot heather dot HQ.
right parent.
Now I've set that up.
Save
What you can do to see what kind of voices you have
right parent tab
is, for instance, to say
For
voice
voice I in plus S
speech
period
dot voices.
image bool set voice left parent voice image void attempt recovery left image any new scripting object image void add observer left parent observer void selected
Probably available voices.
selection replaced A image left bracket any right bracket accessibility may attribute image void accessibility set up image bool accessibility set override value left of AI selection deleted period
Okay, I can't remember this, and it's a good opportunity to show you how to document yourself. So press Command Shift 0,
documentation API
and you're in the documentation. Now uninteract, go all the way left,
toolbar in tool backslash forward
and you're in the toolbar, go all the way right,
menu button
and you got the menu button, and right to the left of it,
search documentation
right to the left of it, okay, just to the left of it, you got a search text. And so in this case, I want to figure out what kind of methods the NS Speech Synthesizer class has. So I'll type
selection replaced tab N
Speech
Xcode has new window
Synthesizer.
NS speech synthesizer selected
Press enter,
Out.
uninteract, go all the way right.
API reference search results for NS speech synthesizer
So give me search results.
indicate 4 items end of banner navigation 1 item API reference guides sample end of navigation NS speech synthesizer
Okay, I got NS Speech Synthesizer. I'm going to press on that. It works a bit like an
NS Speech
HTML
Synthesizer.
file, which is very nice.
Out.
And when you start documenting your class files, it will do exactly the same thing. You can refer yourself to your own library of in your API.
NS speech synthesizer
So NS Speech
words
Synthesizer.
window spots content user links form control headings
So I'm changing to headings. Like I said, it was just like an HTML file.
3 items overview
So overview gives you an overview.
speech feedback window
So
symbols
it gives you some of the concepts and the symbols. So this is where it starts.
creating speech synthesizers
So you know what when you want to create a speech synthesizer, you just instantiate it.
configuring speech synthesizers
So you can configure it,
getting speech synthesizer information
getting some information about the speech synthesizer.
class func available voices left parent right parent
So available voices,
game view controller dots
but it's a class function. So
game view for voice and speech selected
so in this case, I have to call not speech the instance, but speech the class. So NS
Selection replaced. Tab N.
speech synthesizer
period
dot avail. Let's see,
avail image left bracket string right bracket available voices left parent
available voices.
right parent
Left
brace tab
and print
left parent
voice.
right parent
That way you know what's inside, and you can choose the one you have depending on the installation and stuff.
right brace game view dot delegate equal
And in my case, I have well, a lot of the acapella voices.
source code annotation I game view
Okay, I have no errors,
save
and I'm gonna run. Oh, one more thing.
right brace game view dot delegate equal right brace tab
Maybe the voice can be changed a bit to be a bit faster. So speech.
in scroll area table speech
Oops.
get speech right brace speech H period speech
Rate. No, it doesn't.
right brace speech dot RA selection deleted
Sometimes I need to turn voiceover off
voiceover off
and then back on.
voiceover on Xcode
Okay.
speech period image void add speech dictionary left parent speech dictionary image float rate
Okay, rate. It's a float.
Rate. equals
So speech.rate equals. Now the this is the number of words per minute. I don't know why it's a float, because you can't really do half words. But okay, so generally speaking, a usual conversational voice goes from about 170 to 220 words per minute. So I'll set it to the maximum 220 words, or maybe even more. No, I'll just set it to 220.
220, 0, tab, new log, game view, speech rate equals 200, save. Source code is IDLS.
Okay, and I'm going to write it.
Run. Tutorial 3, tutorial 3, tutorial.
Okay.
Xcode. Xcode, stop.
I uncommented.
Game view dot delegate equal game view dot is plain equals speech dot delegate equals so slash speech dot speak left current speeches left bracket current speech right current speech speeches left bracket speech slash save run.
Okay. Sorry about that.
Tutorial 3, tutorial 3.
Okay. So now it's Heather speaking.
What are you doing? Zombies don't hurt unless you see them. Welcome to the Pillar 1 Cemetery. Please don't let any lost hands. Drinks are available at the Mausoleum Fountain. We are currently closed. What are you doing?
Okay, so Heather's telling me that the 2-1 Cemetery is currently closed, but I'm actually walking around it. So there you go. So these are the some of the other things that you can customize.
Stop.
And that's pretty much it for this video tutorial. The next one is going to be a bit more complicated and based on this one. So be on the lookout. All right, thanks a lot.